Hey guys, I think a lot of you have heard about lean startup. However, I realized after teaching a lot of folks this past year that not everybody know like the origin of lean startup. It's a big buzzword in the startup world and the tech scene especially. But I really want to pinpoint that the origin of lean startup is derived from lean manufacturing. And lean manufacturing was actually sprouted from Toyota factory, because they've realized that some of the models that they've been some of the car models that they've been deploying had really low sales. However, they had the whole full cycle of development, and they're like, we cannot sustain our business model if we have this type of car models that kind of drain the whole budget. So they came around and they sat down, they're thinking like, how can we streamline our assembly line so that we'll be able to be sure and also optimize the timing of us deploying car models that have a higher probability of being sold, or should I say profitability, right? So they realized that there are a lot of roles in their assembly line, which is a sequential process flow. Some of the things were redundant. Some of the things were rather sequential, where it could actually be interdependent. So what I mean by that is that someone cannot work until the previous person is done. So in terms of time, this person is activated and this person is deactivated, but they're both being paid, the money is being lost. So that was seen as an operational cost, right? Redundancy means that there's some proof work or additions that doesn't really need to be done as early as that time. So they had to eradicate redundancies, sequential processes that could be done at the same time. And then also they've injected a new way of making sure that their car model will be profitable and viable by having in-house alpha testing, or should I say in-house customer feedback. So in every stage, they make sure that a representative customer will look at the design and will let them know if this is something they would rather buy or not, okay? So this changed the whole car industry. Toyota was the leader of lean manufacturing. Soon enough, other car manufacturers started to also, adapt the new model, which is the lean manufacturing. So now if you're a manufacturing engineer or an industry engineer, or you're a student of industrial engineering, manufacturing engineering, it is but a default that you learn lean manufacturing, lean engineering, because the older way of doing a waterfall method, the waterfall method where you have to wait for the first bucket to be done in order for the second bucket to start filling up, is no more the case. Multiple people from different processes are working at the same time, saving time, money, and optimizing viability. I hope this was helpful. More info bites will come this way. And if you have any question, please put it on the comment. I do read comments, and if something is way complicated, needs more explanation, I usually write a blog article. Thank you so much, and Happy New Year!